Hey guys, what is going on? We have something special today for Chris's Jeep. We've been waiting for this for a while, and you know, shipping times right now are crazy with the holidays, but we finally got something in. And we want to give a huge thank you to Rocktrix Wheels. You guys know that I've been running my Jeep on Rocktrix since I lifted it, and I love those wheels. I love the bronze and how affordable these wheels are. And I'll have a link down below so you guys could pick some up. Anyways, let's load up all 4 wheels and get ready to install them. Wait, should we show them the wheels first, Chris?
No.
Okay. We are all loaded up except for that one wheel we already have open, but let's go ahead down to the tire shop. This Jeep is gonna look sick. All right, we have the Gooner. Everyone go to his channel right now, and in his comments, go comment that Jeeps are better than Tacomas. He's gonna help us change out the tires. We're gonna take this side off. We already put one side on. I'm not gonna show you yet, but maybe I should show him. Should I show him? Not yet? Okay. Little peek. Little peek. All right. Let's go ahead and do a little bit of B-roll while we put the new wheel on. You can see the bronze, man. Looks good, especially on the black. Damn. And not like I'm vlogging over here.
Chill out.
That looks way better than the black. These actually stick out. These are a -12 offset compared to those. I think those are 0. But yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. These honestly look so much better than those, and I'm kind of jealous. These look better than my wheels too. What do you think, Chris?
Oh yeah, definitely look way better than the black rims. Oof.
What about better than his Tacoma? Always, right?
100%. 100%.
Always. Anyways, Rocktrix, you need some of those, bro.
I really wish Rocktrix made wheels for my Tacoma.
They do.
Oh, they do?
Get some.
All right, I will get some.
All right, keep changing the wheels, dude. Stop playing around. All you want to do is play Roblox all day.
Tell me what to do, all right?
If you guys don't know, Gooner actually makes TikToks about like exotic drinks, Sprite Ice. When have you ever seen that? Mountain Dew Violet, Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew. What the? He has a whole bunch of snacks over here. So if you guys are interested in that, check out his TikTok. It's the Gooner, so it'll be linked down below as well. Sheesh. Chris, take it. Put on your shirt. Oh. And if you guys are interested in this style of rim, this one is called RT115. RT115. This guy's the best tire installer in Southern California right here.
Sir.
He's been doing it since, how old
Fresh out of high school, bro.
How old are you? The first time you changed the tire?
18.
No way.
Nothing special.
Younger than that, no?
I don't remember.
Yeah.
Hey, we don't say that, man.
Maybe it might have been younger, but I can't remember.
He has over 7 years of experience changing tires. He still scratches them, but I recommend him if you guys need any tires.
Dude, thanks, bro.
There goes the second one. It's starting to look real good. Remember, 130 foot-pounds.
How's about 100?
Sounds about right. Damn, there it is. What do you think, Chris? I think it looks really freaking good. I don't know, something about the bronze with the black just looks really fucking dope. We can't even leave. It's rubbing. Oh my god, dude. We'll have to cut the. Oh wait, stop.
Guess you guys end up
Alright.
voting tomorrow.
We're gonna have to trim this up. This we can just pull off. I took mine off. Chris is using gorilla strength over here. Sheesh. Oh, I see some bad stuff. Oh no. Oh no. Damn, that Jeep looks mean. I like it. It's rubbing a lot though. We'll have to trim it up. You're good. You're good. Look at him, he's so happy. Look at him. She saw it. What do you think? So to clearance this area out for wheels, what you need to do is this plastic piece here, you're gonna want to trim it back a little bit so you can access the metal behind it. And You're gonna want to hit it with a hammer. Same with this piece here too. That can dig into your tires, and this piece as well. Chris already started hammering it. We're using a BFH. We're using a mallet, and Chris, go ahead and do your magic.
Do my magic, man. Yeah, see me do my girl hits.
Hit it with your purse. Yeah, this is pretty much what we do. Mess up our Jeeps.
Heck yeah, we do.
Alright, so there it is. Chris finished the job. He hit it with some spray paint. That way it doesn't rust afterwards. But that should clear the wheels. Might need to cut a little bit of the plastic, but I think it should be fine. Let's test it. Alright, let's see if it rubs still. Yeah, turn the wheel. It's gonna be close, but oh, that one might have to hammer in some more. Yeah, maybe. It was too close. We're gonna have to trim a little bit more.
Was it hitting down here?
Yeah, on the bottom. Come on, Chris. Huge shout out to Rock Tricks. They are really dope. They hooked us up with my Jeep and also Chris's. So I really appreciate them. Check them out down below. They'll be linked in the description. What do you have to say?
Oh, I truly appreciate it. Love you guys from Rock Tricks.
And they made the Jeep look freaking sick. So check out this picture.